The next command is Polyline command. You can select Polyline command from here, or you can also select here PL, press enter. Now Polyline command is activate. Select first point. I select this point and draw lines. This is similar to line command, but you can also convert this polyline into arc. Right click button and here select arc. Now you can put a diameter of arc 30 mm diameter. Again I put here 30 mm diameter. For converting arc into line, right click button, select line and draw lines. Right click, enter. Now we create a rectangle with the help of polyline. First point 25 mm line, in this side 25, this side also 25, 25, enter, press escape button. This rectangle is created with the help of line and this is created with the help of polyline. If I select this line of rectangle, these all lines are independent to each other. But in polyline rectangle, if I select this line, the whole rectangle will select because these all lines are connected with each other. Similarly here, if I select this segment, the whole segments are selected because in polyline, all the lines are a single entity. For zoom in and zoom out, you can rotate the scroll button. For pan the window, press and hold scroll button and drag it. Now we create this slot with the help of polyline. First of all, I select Polyline command, select first point, draw one line 25 mm, press enter, right click, convert line into arc, diameter of the arc 15 mm. In this side, again we convert arc into line, right click, select line 25, press enter, again convert line into arc, right click, select arc 15 mm, press enter, press escape button.